Hi guys, Kieran from Electricus Audio Visual. Welcome back to our channel. This project that we're on is currently an 8-bedroom home where we installed video distribution to 8 rooms, multi-room audio, Wi-Fi, gate automation which was about 400 meters away from the main house, and also a media room. In this room here, we've got a soundbar that's connected to the Control4 system. So basically, they can watch all their video services, which is Sky and Apple TV. The soundbar is connected through, so when they turn on the volume on the TV, it turns up the volume. If you turn off the TV, it turns off the TV as well as the video device and also the soundbar too. And it just enhances the experience when you're sitting down because TV speakers aren't always great, so a soundbar adds a bit of extra punch to the room. So in the kitchen, we've installed a couple of corner speakers that are hidden away they have been colour matched to the painting on the wall, adding a nice unobtrusive look to the room so you don't actually know the speakers are there, and just empowering the experience when it's partying, you're entertaining and you want friends there. It just makes the room have a better feel and it's not like an eyesore looking at speakers everywhere. In the wooden room, this room was originally a study. It now has a Dolby Atmos setup with a 512 setup, where behind the cabinetry we've put in grills and there's speakers there, which are doing our front, center and right. We've got a pair of height speakers in the ceiling that blend in nicely because they've been colour matched to the same colour painting, or decoration rather, of the ceiling. And then behind the rear cabinetry we've put in our rear channel speakers, so when you get the surround sound, you get the full effect, as well as adding one subwoofer in the corner, just adding that extra bass. So this room is great for family time and also enjoying music. So a part of the music system, they can also listen to music in there too. So when they're having a party, they can literally group all the zones together and have proper party time. So in the rack room, this is our main hub of the home. Where the little white labels are, these are all our video input. So our Skyboxes, Apple TVs, they literally go into here and then get distributed over a network. Because the distance is quite large here, we've got some rooms that are over 130 meters away, just because of the general design and architecture of the building. So we've been able to distribute Sky around the rooms using a network over IP system. So basically still getting picture around the home, still hiding those devices away, but it's just a different solution. So in this main rack, we have our musical amplifiers, our video distribution, also all our networking equipment, so all our Wi-Fi boosters which are dotted around the whole property. They're powered from here with subsidiary switches around the home. Also our video intercom is fed from here over a fibre cable which we've ran about, from memory it was about 150 metres away. So literally the gate is quite far away. We still wanted to have the Control4 smart home aspect where they could answer the gate from within the Control4 system as well as remotely. So we ran a fibre cable around 150 metres away from memory, purely because maximum we can get on a LAN cable to power a intercom is about, I like to say 80 metres. They say 100 metres, but I say 80 metres. But because it's gone over that mark, we ran fibre. But on our fibre, we ran an extra few cores because actually on the property it doesn't have great internet at the present. But in future, once it gets upgraded and the telecoms companies such as BT upgrades the internet, we now know we've got spare cores in our fibre cable to supply the building to give it faster internet, so no actual disturbance actually has to happen in the home. That's also enabled us to have an intercom, which is part of the Control4 system, which means they can operate the gate, answer who's at the door at their home or even when they're away from their home, and just a more robust, stable solution. So once again, thank you very much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, comment below, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.